I'm Dr. Sara May. I live in Seattle, Washington, and I'm an emergency room physician. When I first received my diagnosis here in Seattle, I wasn't sure where in the United States to go for the most expert treatment for my specific condition, so I consulted colleagues across the country. And the resounding response from every physician I spoke to was that the best available heart care for me was going to be at Northwell Health's Sandra Bass Heart Hospital. I was always very athletic and sporty and outdoorsy. I never really had any health problems. And then right before I entered medical school, I had an episode of a really fast heart rate. A few years into med school, I started having recurrent issues. I had to have a pacemaker placed. I was in my late 20s the first time I had a device placed in my heart, and the leads from the device into the heart over years wear down just like an electrical cord.
Since these wires traverse the blood vessels in the heart, they can get scarred in place. And I often joke with patients that they've grown attached to these leads both figuratively and literally.
So it becomes a very delicate procedure removing these leads without damaging the walls of the blood vessel. The first procedure here in Seattle resulted in a complication where as soon as I got out of the hospital and exerted myself, the wall of the vessel opened. When the leads failed again a few years later, my cardiologist here said, there is a person in this country who can do that, and his name is Larry Epstein. We need to find Larry Epstein wherever he is and send you to him.
Everything went well. She had her new pacemaker placed and she went back to Seattle. Subsequently, she developed another lead failure and needed to have this fixed. She was insistent that she wanted to come back here.
I wouldn't have even considered going anywhere else. This was a no-brainer.
This case really exemplifies what the goal of the Northwell Cardiovascular Institute is: to provide state-of-the-art, cutting-edge care for even the most complex cases here in our backyard, around the country, and around the world.
I'm anticipating another 25 years of staying active and healthy. Any issues, I can always reach out to Dr. Epstein and know that I'm going to get care when I need it.